Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a multi-language Shopify store so your customers can view your store in another language. This is helpful if you sell to people from different countries or if you want your store to feel easier to understand for more customers. For example, maybe your store is in English, but you also want to add French, Spanish, German, or another language. Shopify lets you add a new language, translate your store content, and then show that language on your store. So in this video, I'll show you the simple way to do it step by step. Step 1. Log in to your Shopify admin. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main place where you manage your store. Once you're inside, look at the left side menu. This is where you can find your store settings, apps, products, pages, and other parts of your store. Before you start, make sure you are logged into the correct store. If you manage more than one Shopify store, check the store name at the top or in your account area so you do not make changes to the wrong store. Once you are sure you are in the correct store, you can move to the language settings. Step 2. Go to your language settings. Now, from your Shopify admin, go to Settings. You can usually find Settings near the bottom left side of the dashboard. Click on it and it will open the main settings page for your store. Inside Settings, look for Languages. Click Languages. This is the page where you can manage the languages that are available for your online store. Here, you should see your main store language. This is the language your store already uses. To add another language, look for the Add Language button. Click Add Language. Step 3. Add the new language. After you click Add Language, Shopify will show you a list of languages. Choose the language you want to add to your store. For example, you can choose Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, or any other language that fits your customers. After choosing the language, click Save. Now the new language is added to your store, but this does not mean everything is already translated. It only means Shopify now has that language available for your store. So the next step is to translate your store. Step 4. Open the Translate and Adapt app. From your Shopify admin, go to Apps. Then look for Translate and Adapt. If you already have it installed, click on it. If you do not have it yet, go to the Shopify App Store, search for Translate and Adapt, and install it. After it is installed, open it from your apps page. This app helps you translate your store pages, product names, product descriptions, buttons, menus, and other store text. Once the app is open, choose the language you added earlier. And that's how you create a multi-language Shopify store and set up translations. You add the language in Shopify settings, translate your store with Translate and Adapt, set the language for your market, turn on the language selector if needed, and then test everything like a customer. Take your time with the translation because clear words can help customers feel more comfortable when shopping. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.